I'm always want to do collaboration with the Westholme. Westholme gave me the opportunity to visit their farm in Australia. Westholme Wagyu is truly amazing quality. The farm is a huge area for the cow. Whole process is incredible. How to grow, how to feed, all of the science is natural. Being here, I feel like a totally change. The countryside is like huge. So many trees, beautiful birds sound, dancing of the grass. I close my eye, I imagine life in Dubai. Australia is a different character. The air is so clean. I feel like I'm healing. Life for me is about harmony. I try to understand harmony of flavor. I want harmony in my cooking. My cooking philosophy is very simple. I want to deliver cooking from my heart. So I say to my staff, cook like it's for your family. Always keeping this mindset, you can do best cooking. I want to share my feeling, my emotion, my visit here. I want to tell in the whole story of respecting the animal, and I want to tell this story to the guest.